Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restart your Gen24 inverter. So the first step is to turn off the AC Isolator or the AC switch, which you can see is located right next to the inverter. However, if your inverter was located close to the main switchboard, then that switch might be in the switchboard itself. And it might be called a solar supply main switch or a main switch inverter supply. So what we'll do now is turn that to off. So the next step is to turn off the DC switch or the DC Isolator, which you can see is located on the front of the inverter. And you can see it's pointing to the right, to the 1. We want it to turn it to the left, so it's pointing upwards to the 0. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that off. And then we want to wait about 1 to 2 minutes and you'll see all the lights go off. And then we'll turn the system back on, but in the reverse order. So we'll go to the DC switch first, and we'll flick it to the right so it's pointing to the 1. And then we do the AC switch, so we'll flick that back on. All right, that's it. So now you know how to restart your Gen24 inverter. See you next time.